call
True.
Who Dat.
Who dat?
Who Dat. All right?
All right.
So,
Who dat?
basically, and Mikey, you got to keep score because each of them will be playing individually.
Right.
So,
Ooh.
Kimo
All right.
versus Jerome versus Hanale. All right?
Now we're
So,
getting serious.
what? Here we go. So, Mikey, you got to keep score, and I don't know how you're gonna do them when we keep score with fingers, and when you only get two hands. So, the game is called Who Dat. You have to name the artist or the title. You don't have to be both. Just give me the artist or title.
Either or.
I will read you a line from a local song, and you give me the artist first to chime in. First to three wins. Okay. First to three wins. Here we go. First one. It's so nice to see familiar faces. Wow.
Whoa.
Jerome, quick on the board.
Faces out in the crowd.
Nicely done.
That's his favorite song.
That's his
And
era.
We'll have to make note that you folks will be joining Henry Capono.
That's right.
The
Next
artist
week,
to
Tuesday.
artist.
Yes, artist
concert.
to artist.
Spotlight.
man.
Next week Tuesday.
Yeah.
Next week Tuesday.
Tuesday the 18th.
Blue Note.
The 18th at Blue Note.
There
Get your
are a few
tickets.
tickets available, but they're
Okay.
going quick. So
Yeah.
it's going to be a great show.
And it's only one show.
Only one show.
One show next week Tuesday,
Next week
Blue
Tuesday.
Note. Check them out. Artist to artist, Henry Capono and the Mākaha Sons. All right, next one. So Jerome, up on the board.
Okay,
Quick,
ooh.
quick. Here we go. My heart does the tango.
Manal Company.
Oh, wow. Kimo, we need to get you on the board here. All right, here we go.
The
Next
scratch.
one. So it's Hanale one.
I'm playing golf.
Jerome one.
Lowest score wins.
Next one. Places I have been.
Cities I have seen with concrete canyons. Right?
Paniola Country.
Cape Killer and the Nanakuli Sons.
See, he gave you the artist.
Yeah.
That would be harder for most people.
I was 7 years
Yes.
old when that happened, so I wouldn't know.
Yes, but Uncle Jerome, you need to give us the title or the artist.
Hello to Hawaii.
Unfortunately,
I got the title.
he got the
the
title.
artist.
Oh,
though.
Kimo, we will make it all tied up, all tied
right,
up,
all right.
one apiece, everybody.
Paniola Country.
Wow,
Paniola Country.
Paniola Country.
Back to
Okay.
Paniola Country.
I hear him.
Hanale was still trying to figure it out.
I would have said Melvin Lee.
Hanale was still trying to figure it out.
70s thing.
All right, here we go. Toad is the tail.
Israel. Come on, give me
Oh,
Maui, Hawaiian Superman.
yes. Wow. Hanale
Hana.
takes the lead.
What was that?
He sang it, but
Toad
Del wrote it.
Toad is the tail of the mischievous one.
I was thinking of it. Tall is the tail. That's why I never
It's
get
funny
it.
because I always thought it was tall.
You
All right.
like the song.
Del
You know,
Beasley.
Michael rowed a boat ashore. Yeah, I always thought like my car rowed, the boys ashore. And then I seen Michael row your boat. I said, no, I feel stupid.
Nanakuli, yeah.
Ah,
All right. Hanale in the lead with 2.
All right.
Next one. I remember days.
Kuho meo kahulu.
Wow.
His was shorter. He won.
But mine was harder to say.
Mikey, what? Oh, okay.
See this. Ku'uhore o kahu. Olamana.
All right. Next one. Here we go. Come on, Kimo. Let's go.
All right,
Let's
all
go. Brown skin. Light brown eyes.
Hawaiian style band.
Whoa. All tied up. That was Hawaiian style
Few
band.
songs
Love
that
and
had brown
honesty.
skin. So.
All right. Try this one.
Oh, it's a championship match
Right?
point.
Wait, are we all tied up?
We're all
right now?
tied.
Tied
All
up.
tied up. All right. And forgive me, I'm going to try my best with this one.
Kia laula.
Ao Sara Rawa.
Pena.
Uncle Jerome is our champion.
Champion.
Masese from Kapena.
Hannah.
Nicely done.
That's
hard to read when it's written out like that, right?
What's the Scoops? Presented by Freedom Communications with me, Brother Wade. Listen live every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Download the Hawaiian Music Live app on Google Play and the App Store. Oh, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos.